Hello and welcome to the VMC Quick Course series. My name is Ross Cochran and I'm a software consultant for the middleware products at VMC. In this demo, I'll show you how to use VMC MainView for WebSphere MQ to determine the health and wealth of your queue managers, including determining whether a queue manager is started and responding in a timely manner. QMView provides an overview of all the queue managers that are being monitored. You can use this view as a starting point for finding information about specific queue manager activities. Let's take a look at some columns on this view. Platform can show 1. MVS as an MVS resident ZOS queue manager. Number 2. An agent, which is a distributed base queue manager. Or number 3. A remotely managed queue manager. A status can be inactive, active, no response, connection failed, or unresponsive. Queue stats can show, yes, our extensions covered in another MainView recording are installed and collecting, or no, the collection has stopped, or it's not installed, pretty self-explanatory, the extensions are not there, or unknown, the queue manager is down. Enter the QMM-VSD view, named to see all the details on the next screen. The QMM-VSD view provides detailed information about the defined attributes for a single queue manager that is executing on ZOS. Note the fields in white such as number of normal local queues. By hyperlinking on the value 29 on the screen, you will see the 29 normal queues on this queue manager. Enter the W2 OVERD view to view more queue manager details. The WebSphere MQ Tuning Wizard detail view provides detailed information about the queue manager and its major components, including communication information, queues operating at maximum depth, logging information, and the buffer pool information. The QMF, or Queue Manager Profile view, lists the queue manager profiles. In other words, it shows all the queue managers, both mainframe resident and distributed base. You can see the details of a specific queue manager by hyperlinking from the name of the queue manager. If a job name table JNT entry exists for a queue manager, but a matching definition does not exist, a ZOS queue manager is assumed. Use this view to add, change, and delete queue manager definitions that are managed by MainView for WebSphere MQ. The Topology View provides an overview of all queue manager object definitions. The summarized view lists all queue managers that are in the current context. The Topology Views provide information about the resources that are defined to WebSphere MQ. Use this view to gather information about the relationship of objects in WebSphere MQ to isolate information about exceptions and to change or fix an object or a relationship between objects. The top EXCP view shows a list of all the exception conditions in the current context. To view an exception in relation to a defined object, hyperlink from the object's name. The top list view provides a detailed list of the objects that are defined in the queue manager. It also highlights any definitions that are questionable, such as a queue that is defined as a transmission queue but has no defined service channel. Thank you for your time. For more information on MainView for WebSphere MQ, see the related demos box. For more information on any VMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown. Thank you.